I have my V8 Sparkling Energy, not sponsored. Obviously, I'm a brand new channel, but V8, if you want to sponsor me, we can blow this channel up together. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Izzy at Studio Freya. This is gonna be my first YouTube video on this channel. If you guys, know me from high school or whatever, my old YouTube, if you saw that, no you didn't. Obviously, I dyed my hair pink and blue for Studio Freya, and I made a video, but I didn't have a ring light then, and I went to edit the video, and it just wasn't that great because the lighting wasn't that great. I'm too much of a perfectionist to edit a video and like upload it if I know it can be better. So today I am dyeing my hair. I'm gonna tell you the colors, and you might be a little confused as to what my vision is. So the colors I'm doing are brown, bright magenta pink, and bright electric blue. And I'm excited, and it's gonna take a couple hours probably. But you know what? For you, it's gonna be like 10 minutes. So it's fine for you guys, but for me, I will be here all night. So yeah, let's just get a good look. It faded to this green color and this pastel pink, and that's totally fine. I think it's cute. Look at the back. Okay, so to my friend Haley who did my blonde hair, I'm literally so sorry. Oh, I'm excited. This is gonna be literally so crazy. Okay, so here is what I'm thinking. This and all of back here is gonna be brown. This is gonna be the bright blue, so the bang will be brown and fall over, and this will fall over it. So when I tuck, you'll see the blue. This part, this whole little front piece, is gonna be the magenta pink. So I'm gonna start with the brown first because I am gonna bleach my roots. But the brown can stay on longer than the bleach can stay on. And I wouldn't want to have to rinse the brown too soon because my roots lifted really quick. You know what I mean? So I'd rather the brown stay on longer than the brown not stay on long enough. That's just my thought process from a licensed professional. Since I do hair, this is my studio, and I would love to see you in my chair. Tell your friends about me. Tell your family about me. I do mostly blondes and lived-in color. That's my favorite thing to do. But on myself, I like to do some crazy colors. There we go, ladies and gents. Ooh. About a week before I decided to do this, I spent $300 at Hobby Lobby buying paint supplies to start a mural on my living room wall. And have I finished that? No, because I got distracted by Studio Freya. This idea just came to me, and I'm happy that I took the leap because this is a crazy thing, especially during this crazy ass time. Like, I literally did this during a pandemic. Am I okay? I don't know. I have support, I have great family, I have amazing clients, and we're all like best friends. And I would like for you to be a part of this like little family that I feel like I have. Honestly, it's funny how today I was laying on my couch literally all day just being sad and depressed, and then all of a sudden I got this urge that I need to dye my hair dark. Am I okay? No. But am I okay? Yes. Brad Mondo, honestly, I don't really know if he'd be mad at me for this because I did section my roots But Brad Mondo, I know you said you don't really like to look at hairstyle and stuff because you don't want to like hurt their feelings, but if you feel like roasting me, please go for it. You know, any press is good press. I'll take it, like seriously. I will take it, please. I'm using 2 different formulas for this side versus this side because this side, don't care. This side had blue, so I needed to add more copper. This side is pink, so I'll probably just maybe leave out the copper in the formula and just keep the neutrals and the gold beige. I look so silly. Oh my god, I drank 2 V8s. This is my second one. I should not have done that. I'm not sleeping tonight, but I was like, this isn't gonna work. Like, I didn't think that only 1 V8 would be enough, but 2 was too many. Am I supposed to look at myself or am I supposed to look at this? I'm not really sure, but honestly, whenever I'm making videos, I just pretend I'm like literally talking to myself like I'm a different person. Okay, let's keep going. Ugh. She is saturated. Okay. Oh my god, my eyes are like stroking out on me. I don't even know if that makes sense, but I'm having to turn my head so far to like, oh my gosh. Let's get this way now, just to double check. Using the Redken Flash Lips, which has Bonder in it, like Olaplex, if you know what that is. And I'm only using 10 volume because I'm not an idiot, like some of y'all. Using 40 volume. Ooh. I'll think about that. Thinking about going back to school, not cosmetology, gross, I would literally never do that again. Okay, I would because I made some friends of a lifetime there, but I think I want to go back to school, maybe not towards a specific degree. I want to take some like video editing classes, photography classes, business classes, gross, marketing, maybe some graphic design. You know, just all the things I love. But I think I have to wait until the spring semester because I'm not even sure any schools are opening up and I probably will get COVID. Let's just not think about that right now. Okay, so I decided to put a little bit, oh, I'm shaking too much caffeine, to put a little bit of bleach right there, and I think I might dye it blue. Or pink. I'll do it pink. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to rinse the dark first just so it doesn't bleed on. And it's probably gonna be really hard, but at least I do have a actual sink. I just got myself wet. Okay. Shirt is soaked. Doesn't really matter if there's that brown in it because it's not going to take the color. So I mixed blush and Fireball together to get this like magenta pink. And on the blue side I used Tragic and Neon Electric, right? Or Blue Muse, sorry, from Freya. Okay, I'm gonna let this process for about 20 minutes. Then I will put on a toner all over my other hair just to get it look prettier, shinier, richer. Should I do it? Oh my god. Or should I just do that blonde? Cute! Okay, I'm excited. Let's do the rest of this. Shade DQ is pretty like easy to mesh around. So that's why I'm doing it like this. Literally don't do it like this though if you're doing anything else other than toning because you will have spots. Oh my, I need a second. The camera's only been on for 3 minutes and I'm like in pain. Okay guys, this is it. I had the lights turned off just because it makes the ring light and everything just looks better. Yeah, I cut off about 2 inches and I'm literally surprised that I did so well at that. Really shocked. I'm not sure my bangs are even. They're not. That's better. Yeah, so this is it. I hope you love it just as much as I do. The brown makes my eyes pop. I never thought that I would, well, I thought that I probably would go back dark again, but I'm surprised that I did it and I love it. Curled. Oh my gosh, I can't stop looking at myself. Yeah, so today I was so depressed and like I couldn't get out of bed really or off the couch. And it's amazing how literally coloring your hair just like makes a huge difference. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. I don't know if you saw this little eyebrow action going on, but I love that too. I'm living my e-girl fantasy and I hope you can come live yours with me in my chair. So peace out. It's late. I gotta clean up so I can go home.